This wasn't the plan.
But I started something new anyway.
When the war began, everything changed, including my dream of becoming a pilot. In Ukraine, I studied aircraft operations. When my mom and I fled to Croatia, I worked at an airport as a gate and ticket agent, and it opened my eyes. I don't need to be in the cockpit to belong in aviation. I just needed to be near planes. Eventually, me and my mom came to Canada to reunite with my sister and build a new life. I made the decision to become a licensed aircraft maintenance engineer.
Every new skill feels like I'm getting a piece of my future back.
My decision to come to Mohawk College has been life-changing.
This is hard work, but every day I'm moving forward, and what I'm building is mine. So what are you building?